This is a brand new renovated one bedroom in Valley Park. Very nice, tastefully done renovation. Fully fitted. Brand new kitchen. Storage space behind the mirror. Lots of nice appliances. Bosch, induction, dishwasher, very rare in a one bedroom in Valley Park. New fridge, washer dryer, steamer, wash oven and steamer. New set. New bathrooms. Display. Rain shower. Storage. Good sized bedroom with fan. Wardrobe space. Facing the river. TV console. Little balcony. Sometimes you see otters. Nice park connector that brings you all the way to Clarke Quay, Marina Bay, and also the Marina Barrage and East Coast even. On the other way, if you go, is to Commonwealth and Margaret Drive. Lovely unit. Like I say, just completed. And a bit to be moved in if needed.